Welcome to training session number 3 of the Lifetime Income System, guaranteed to produce at least $100,000 in profits over the next 12 months. Today, we're going to lay out a step-by-step action plan you can start immediately and gain an automatic six-figure annual income for life. For your first step, follow the link below this video to download and print your easy-to-use action plan. That way, we can do this together. And if there's anything you'd like clarified, you can scroll down and post your question in the comments section. We'll get back with you as soon as possible. My name is Chuck Hughes, and I believe what you're about to learn in this video could have a profound influence on the rest of your life. I know that might sound overly dramatic, but please stick with me for the next few minutes and see for yourself, because I have a long track record and I don't tend towards drama. If you watch the first two videos, you already know that my trading methods have produced over $7.5 million in profits over the past 15 years, despite one heck of a wicked ride on Wall Street. Now let me show you why I believe you need my system now more than ever. Here's a monthly chart of the S&P 500 going back 20 years. 1994 was the first year I won first place in the international trading competition for which I hold the record. And that means what you're about to learn outperformed all other systems in this very choppy sideways market. Then in 1995, the market took off like no one had ever seen before, and I won first place trophies in 2 categories that year. The next time I won first place was in 1999, as the raging bull market was nearing the top and plagued by uncertainty, kind of like it is now. In 2003, I won third place, first place in 2005, second in 2006, and in 2007, when the market topped for a second time in a decade and the financial Armageddon hit, the methods you are about to learn outperformed all others and made an award-winning first place profit. I won another first place in 2009, and in the challenging year of 2010, I took second place. So as you can see, what you're about to learn has outperformed all other systems under market conditions of every kind, and the lifetime income system will continue to profit come what may. Are we headed for another horrible correction, or will the bull market continue charging ever higher? There's really no way to know what the future will hold. So today, I'm going to show you how you can safeguard against crippling losses and keep your profits coming regardless of economic climate.
Safeguarding against losses is something Chuck stresses. It's not the money you make, but the money you keep that makes you rich. I joined Chuck's organization 5 months ago, and I've already earned 9 or 10 times what I paid to join. It's the best investment I ever made. Being a physician for more than 20 years, I never even considered doing anything else. But then, 2 years ago, I ran into health problems that kept me from working for a while. And doctors don't make an income unless they're working. So it was a real wake-up call. I've got to have a way to create wealth outside of medicine. Knowing Chuck's reputation and looking at his methodology, I thought it was something I could do pretty easily. So I signed up.
Dr. V is right. There's no such thing as financial security without an alternate lifetime income in place. For example, read my bio and you'll see how the training methods you're learning in this training series protected my family from suffering financial ruin when vertigo ended my career as a commercial pilot. These methods have helped literally thousands of men and women, many with very little time or money and no financial experience whatsoever, gain the security, peace of mind, and pure joy of having a six-figure income you don't have to work for. And the lifetime income system can absolutely do the same for you. So let's start with a recap. In video 1, you learned all about Power Trend and Prime Trade Select, which form the foundation on which every lifetime income trade is built. And these two critical building blocks deserve full credit for more than $377,000 in open stock and ETF profits. So if you haven't watched video 1, be sure to check it out before it's taken offline. Then building on the knowledge we gained in video 1, in video 2 we learned the Power Trend option strategy for buying deep in the money options and rolling them over for compounded returns, amounting to $292,000 in open profits and $138,000 in closed profits, for a total profit of more than $430,000 and an average return of 985%, taking into account both open and closed trades. Video 2 is a real eye-opener, so please be sure to watch it. And now, on top of the rock-solid foundation built in videos 1 and 2, I'm going to show you how to earn a stress-less, cash-on-cash returns with zero risk, so you can keep the profits continuously coming through good times and bad. Let's start by taking one more look at Cigna, which we saw in video 1 is on a power trend buy signal, and our OBV line indicates strong buying pressure. Yet on June 3rd, we had a retracement to the lower Keltner channel, giving us a prime trade select buying opportunity. Then in video 2, we bought a deep in the money call option for 17 points. 3 weeks later, Cigna is trading at $72.50, $1.18 higher than the upper Keltner channel. So what do? Should you take profits in case there's a sudden correction? Or stay in because buying pressure remains so strong? Decisions. Wouldn't you rather stress less? Why not lock in profits with a cheap $146 put option, which gives you the right to sell Cigna at $72.50 no matter how low the price may go, and leave your upside profit potential unlimited? That's what I did. With my stress-less option strategy, you no longer have to worry about protective stops, bad earnings reports, or any other kind of down move at all, because you simply can't lose. If Cigna stays flat, I make a 43% return. If the price goes up 20%, I make a 126% return. Worst case scenario, the price drops 20% and I make a 22% profit. Yet if it drops more than 20%, my profit actually increases because the value of the put goes up. Buying deep in the money calls with at the money put protection and rolling them over at expiration, as we saw in video 2, gives our stressless option portfolio triple and quadruple profits in a totally risk-free environment. As you can see, our stressless option portfolio is earning triple-digit returns even after paying for all the protective puts. And look at this, our stressless stock portfolio isn't far behind. Like the stressless option portfolio, each stock trade includes a protective put, which makes it stressless. And because they are stressless, we allow them to reach their full wealth-building potential. But how do you suppose our stock portfolio manages to earn an overall return almost as high as our option portfolio, which earns higher profits? Simple. Every stock on our list pays a dividend that helps offset the cost of the put option insurance. Speaking of dividends, now is a good time to talk about the MLP REIT portfolio. Due to tax breaks and other special considerations, master limited partnerships and real estate investment trusts can afford to pay the highest dividends, and whether you compound them, use them to buy protective puts, or spend them right away, more is better. Naturally, stocks paying dividends like this are in high demand, which drives up the price. Giving us an average 15.5% annual yield based on our original purchase price. We've got a 24.1% yield on this ETF of MLPs, a whopping 34.4% yield on this energy MLP, and another 24.6% yield on this equipment MLP. Then, when you reinvest those dividends, your returns really skyrocket. But that's not all. The automatic money-making loophole revealed in Extra Money Made Easy can easily turn every lifetime income stock portfolio into a virtual automatic money machine. And of course, Extra Money Made Easy is the main focus of our Become Your Own Bank portfolio. Exploiting this amazing money-making loophole that very few people know about has given me a gross option premium income of $7.4 million over the past 5 years. That averages out to $125,000 every month, which you might think sounds too good to be true. So I've included my brokerage statements in Extra Money Made Easy. Check it out. See for yourself. The information contained in this amazing 122-page ebook really could change your life, and you're getting it for free. So please, at least take a few minutes to download it. That way, even if you don't have time to read it right away, you'll have it available when you're ready. So that's it, folks. Now you know how I became the winningest trader in history. And if you follow each word-for-word suggestion you receive, in less than 10 minutes, you could be a winner too.
Following his recommendations, the profits started rolling in right away. My trading account is already up 50%, and growth is really accelerating fast.
This is definitely the one and only wealth building program you want to join because it is absolutely the most low-risk, surefire way for you to support the lifestyle of your dreams, starting immediately. Right now, the Lifetime Income System is closed to new members, but a limited enrollment period is coming soon. And whatever email address you registered to receive Extra Money Made Easy, that's where we'll send enrollment instructions when the time comes. So make sure you register the email address you check most often, because if you don't see the notice right away, you won't get in. And you'll miss your chance to enjoy a six-figure income for life. Okay, here's what I'd like you to do right now. First, make sure you've registered your best email address to receive Extra Money Made Easy. Next, scroll down and hit the Facebook like button. Everybody wants to get likes. Then please leave a comment. I'm going to go through and read every comment personally myself, and I'm going to respond to as many as I can. So please scroll down and go ahead and leave a comment. And please be sure to watch your inbox for the notice letting you know when Lifetime Income System becomes available. Thank you for watching the Lifetime Income Training Series. I hope you've enjoyed it.
Top trading champion Chuck Hughes provides a unique opportunity to learn how to profit off of ETFs and many other investment vehicles. Click the link below to learn more.